It's Mother's Day 2018. My mother's gone out, dropped off my kids with her mother, and got some work done. Got lots of progress on the Honda. Finished her off. Well, I didn't finish her off, but I got most of the passenger side done. So, let's walk back in the road. It's bright out here. I'm waiting on my crank pulley tool that holds crank in place while I can remove the bolt. That should be here tomorrow. So that's Monday. But what the hell? Why the hell is that shit so bright? Yeah. Just sanding now. It's all just bodywork. I still am looking for a clear coat. I'm having a hard time finding a matte clear. Anyone can find out where the hell I can buy a matte clear, that'd be great. Just let me know in the comments. What the hell?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. My name is Chief Sabawi. I'm the BC candidate for Mississauga and Mills, running to be a provincial member.
I'm okay. No.
Thank you.
Fucking PC Party of Canada. Fuck off. Sorry if you're politically PC. I don't give a shit. I don't care about any government. I hate. They think they always know what they're doing best, but they don't. They just listen to their 1%. Oh, what's he doing again? Oh. So, yeah, you know what? I'll let's bring it around. So, got most of the bodywork down there. And then from that, still got, I just fucking closed. Oh, okay, at least I was walking slow. I got, down in there, still work to do, but it's coming together. I got a full-blown winch. Like, a winch going on this car. It's gonna be sick. Let's just stick that in my toolbox. Stay there. See, I'm filming this all off my phone right now. My GoPro fucked off. I have no idea where it disappeared to. So, but, I got these awesome hoodies. So, if you guys want one, comment below, and I'll randomly pick once we get, let's say, 100 likes, and I'll pick someone and I'll message you and send me your address and I'll give you a sweater. Send me your size and we'll iron out the details later. Whoa! Phone fell. Yeah, if you want to follow this build, subscribe to me. I'm not asking for much. I'm just asking for someone to follow my interest. Just follow my journey. And from there, we'll see what goes. But, yeah. If you really want a sweater, comment and subscribe, and I might pick you. What do you know until you try, right? Catch you guys later.